If you think making $100 a day with AI requires coding, paid ads, or a big audience, I'm about to prove you wrong. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn simple systems into real income. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to make $100 per day using simple AI automation. This is a practical system you can start testing today, requiring no advanced tech skills, no complex integrations, and absolutely no hype. Now let's talk about the math, because this is where most people overthink things. You don't need 100 clients or a massive following. When most people hear the word automation, they imagine complicated software and technical headaches. Simple AI automation is much easier than that. It means doing one valuable task repeatedly, letting AI handle most of the work, delivering the result quickly, and getting paid for speed and consistency. First, you pick one simple service. The best options for beginners are social media captions, short-form video scripts, product descriptions, email sequences, or blog outlines. These are always in demand and fast to deliver. Next, you create a repeatable prompt, which becomes the core asset of your system. For example, if you're offering social media captions, your prompt might specify the niche, the quantity, the word count, and the required tone. Once you save this prompt, it becomes a revenue-producing asset. You're not starting from scratch every time. You're running a system. Then comes delivery. Your basic setup needs to be efficient to maintain speed. ChatGPT generates the content, Canva formats it cleanly, and Google Docs or a PDF is used for final delivery. You can even automate file sending after payment. At this point, because of AI, each job should take you only 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Now let's look at where the $100 per day actually comes from and how to price your services. A realistic pricing example is $25 for 10 captions or $50 for 30 captions. This means you only need 4 small orders or 2 medium orders in a day. Platforms where this system works immediately include Fiverr, Upwork, and direct outreach on Instagram or LinkedIn. Businesses only care that the work is done quickly and done well. Once the system starts working, scaling becomes simple for higher income. You save templates, you bundle services, and you raise prices as positive reviews come in. Also, you can add optional upsells like graphics creation or content scheduling to increase the value of each order. Eventually, the workflow becomes client request, AI generates the content, you review it quickly, and payment lands. That's when a hustle turns into a system. Simple systems, real income. If you want the exact prompts, templates, and workflow checklist I use, I've put everything into a free download called the AI Money Starter Kit. You'll find the link below this video. So yes, making $100 a day with simple AI automation is realistic. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for daily breakdowns of simple systems that turn AI into real income.